Like many rapidly developing countries, the Philippines grapples with unsustainable plastic production and consumption and insufficient solid waste management infrastructure, as treasuring 2.7 million tons of plastic waste are generated in the Philippines each year, and an estimated of 20% ends up in the ocean. Many students want to learn and earn education, for it is the only weapon we can use to conquer the hindrance in life. Far schools and not accessible roads is the barrier for both students and teachers. That's why we created PB, Plastic-Made Portable Board and Green Screen, a lightweight, easy to carry and store board, made with green cloth sewn between two recycled plastic for writing purpose and waterproof. It can be rolled and carried by a strap or hang it to use. PB is designed to be both indoor and outdoor, a portable board where you can write using a whiteboard marker. PB is so unique. Aside from its function as a board, PB can be also used as a green screen, where educators can also use it to make educational video lessons. It will be easy for them to edit the background, put effects, or even animate a video using PB. Carry education with your hand. PB, Portable Board and Green Screen.